Hello friends, this is Brooke from Urban Paper Crafter, and I am back with day 4 of the Random Days of Christmas Crafts. So this is actually a kit that some of you may have seen already, and some of you might have actually picked this one up because we did a pre-order on this one a little bit ago on Facebook. And so I've got more kits put together. It was super popular. People really liked this one, and I am going to show you why. I need to take the camera down because these cards, when held like this, they dangle and dance. Isn't that cute? So all 3 of these characters, they dance. And the card kit is going to make 9 cards, 3 of each character. So you're going to get a kit that is chock full of everything you need. So you'll have a stickles in here to bling these guys up. You'll have the foam squares that you need, all of the decorative paper, and these mats here to set your little characters on, plus a whole pack of these and some gems to make it even more fancy. So with your kit, you'll also get a link to a how-to video that will show you a couple of tips and tricks on putting these guys together. Thanks so much, and we'll see you on day 5. Bye-bye.